Hi, my name is Sumit, and I recently started my business named Bitwell. And as I'm starting that, I thought let's start a YouTube channel and build something in public. So how it will help us? Basically, first of all, you will learn about from our journey what's going wrong and what you can avoid. Along with that, you can also um, know what we are actually building and how it will help and what problem we are solving. So from now, let's start from the problem and everything. And this is kind of an intro video of this channel. Every week, I will upload one video about the process and what we have made mistakes and how we are solving every problem. And exactly, this is kind of like build in publics what we are doing. So let's get started. All right, let's start with what we are actually solving. So it started like uh 1 year ago when Hers, my co-founder, came to me. He is also my very good friend. So he came to me, and as recently his friend's father died because ambulance delayed. So he asked me, let's start an ambulance service. So we were doing research and we found there are lots of services and they are doing a lot. Great thing. So we thought let's build something we can detect emergencies even before time. So like we found as you can see here, it says 60% deaths in India are from chronic conditions that develop gradually over weeks. So that means like we can detect them before even emergency, before even they are visible. So that was the idea, and so we started, let's do something, build a device, wearable device, kind of smartwatch, smartband, and then try to detect these kind of things. First of all, we cannot go like medical ways. Currently we are just wellness trackers kind of, but in future we want to go at that stage. So currently we are focusing on the data of any device. Initially we were focusing on our own device, but now we are focusing on any device. So basically we collect data from any device, and then we we run our own algorithm, and we try to find out like what is going on and try to show those patterns to the user so they can have checkups at very early stage, and they can prevent those things. So as you can see here, the problem statement and the data, everything, like fall cause 1 million elderly deaths annually, most preventable with early detections. Like how can we detect them? Basically the falls that we are talking about are because of gradual decline in health, not because of some stone or those kind of things, not those sudden falls. Those happens grows because of declining in the health condition. And other thing is current solution give data, but they are not don't show that long pattern and what how can we beneficial for these kind of emergencies. So that's what we are actually solving. For that, we have two things. One thing is our own app that can be connected with any device. Currently, we can connect with Google Health Connect. So any device can share data, like most of the devices, not actually any device. And then other than that, we are also focusing on Apple Health. So soon we will also launch our Apple app so we can also get the data from there and process that data. And how does it work? Basically, take the data, run our algorithm, and then learn more about the user. And also for more accurate data, we are also working on our own device, so we can basically uh, we can work on the things that actually we need to detect those things. So that's the purpose of the device. Currently it is under development, so the app is going to be live in next around 100 days. In February we are going to launch our device and app. Currently we have 4 users and pilot users and some pre-orders. So we are working on those things. As you can see, some of the parameters are shown here, like Bitwell app, Android. It is live but not updated with the latest build. So we will update like uh, soon. We will update that. iOS app will be coming soon. Also, we also have like bots and everything in the app. Soon I will also give the demo of the app, but here we are just focusing how we are actually solving the problem and what we have currently in the pipeline. So for this, like that's it from for this video. That's it. From the next video, I will also share what problems we have faced till now and how we have solved that, and what problems can be ignored. Like you don't need to, I mean, follow the same steps.